Hi guys, welcome back. RC Shed, don't stand there, come inside. Hi guys, welcome back to RC Shed with Mark Jordan. Today I'm just going to do a little bit of an updating video on my the fantastic Losi DBXL E. I haven't really ran this much, but where I am in Jersey we've got more sand, more dunes, more sea than we do actually bashing ground. So what I'm going to show you today is a little update as to what I've done with a couple of things to it. It's completely standard, still running A-test, still a beast in its natural form, but I just wanted to tweak it a little bit more and get it a little bit more user-friendly for me and my surroundings. So what have I done? So the first real simple mod that I did, I actually swapped out the pinion gear. Now basically, as standard, this is running a 22 pinion gear, which is, you know, is good, pretty quick. I think they say it's about 40 mile an hour, which is not bad for a 33 pound truck, I think it is, something like that. So yeah, standard gearing is good. Yeah, no worries, no frills, no problems with it. But I felt it just lacked that kick, that little bit more punch. So what did I do? Basically, I swapped out the 22 standard spur pinion 22 pinion gear, and I put in a 16 tooth. Now, basically, what this is going to do is going to give it that lot more power, a lot more punch, and hopefully a little bit more top end speed. Obviously, because the pinion's going a little bit smaller, it's going to hopefully give it a bit more top end speed. Fingers crossed. No, other way around. I don't know, I'll have to come back to it, but it should make the truck quicker, and it'll either be off the mark quicker or slightly slower off the mark and quicker top end. But I shall do a running video after I've fitted it all properly and got it all running. So that was the first little mod I did. Cheapest chips, I think it was like 20 quid, I think 25 quid to get one of these. 16 tooth. Oh, that was the 22 tooth anyway, so I don't need it. So the next thing I'm going to do is, as I said, because I live in Jersey and we've got a lot of sand dunes, and I mean a lot of sand dunes, and luckily enough it's sand as opposed to gravel or grit. So what I did, I saved my pennies and I ordered from Japan, China, wherever, somewhere over that way, a set of sand paddles. And they're not HPI Baja, because I think, as far as I'm aware, HPI Baja sand paddles and stuff fit directly onto this truck as well. But what I did, I invested in a set of these. They're pretty much a no-name brand. There is a name on the side there, but I can't really make it out. Let me just have a look. No, don't know what that is, but if you can see, really nice wheels, really nice. So that's the sand paddles from the back. They've got a bit less of a scoop than the Baja ones, but and they're really, I mean, they're really solidly firm. And then obviously you don't have the same on the front. Well, you could fit the same, you could fit 4 of these on the front, but I tried that when I had a Baja and on my Losi DBXL, the original petrol gas version, but steering was really sloppy. So what they suggest, you buy these fronts. Quite odd looking things, aren't they, really? But again, nice solid tyres. They should be good. You don't want too much slop in the tyres, especially when you're bashing on sand. You need it to be able to cut into the sand and really turn this big beast of a truck to actually get really good traction. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to put these on. I'll show you what the truck looks like with them on. And then, yeah, hopefully we should be able to put up a running video and a bashing video when I get a nice weather. Unfortunately, wherever you're watching this in the world, Jersey in the UK is getting the worst weather at the moment. Rain, 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 rain. So although the truck is waterproof, I really can't be bothered going out in the rain. So I'll just wait until it's nice and a nice and sunny day, and when the sand's all nice and fine, so that we get some fantastic footage of it kicking up all the sand and stuff. So okay, tune back in a minute guys, and I'll have these on. So welcome back guys. As you can see, I've fitted the 2 front sides for you so that you can actually see them on the buggy. I think they absolutely look pretty cool. I'm just going to put the back 2 on, which, you know, swapping out wheels and tyres is so much easier. If you can actually buy, you could have used the same rims and bought tyres to go on the rims, but it's a real hassle to unglue bead locks off, take them off, put new reef infills in, new foams, this, that and the other, and in some cases having to re-glue them. So I tend to buy, when I buy the wheels, I buy them as a wheel, tyre and foam insert as a package, because then it's already done. All you need to do, if I get bored of running this on sand, all I'm going to do is swap it out with the tyres, like for like. Take these ones off, put these ones on, and vice versa. So as you can see, here's the size difference. Yeah, they are a tad smaller, the sand paddles, than the standard wheels on the DBXL E, but the footprint is a lot bigger. As you can see, the sand paddles are a lot wider. So I think that's generally just to give it more traction and stuff when it's on the sand, because these are meant for loose ground but high torque, high grippy stuff. These are for sand, mud, and in some cases you can fit them onto the X-Max, which is down here, and you can travel on water, which one day I will do, but I'm a little bit reserved about that, however waterproof that machine is. So as I said, literally the only thing you need to be careful when you put these tyres on is make sure that the scoop is actually scooping down. A lot of videos I've seen, people actually fit these on and fit them the wrong way around, so they're not getting any traction. It's just, although it will move, what the idea is, the scoop is to actually dig in. You imagine like when you dig in a hole, you don't use the spade the other way around, do you? You put it so that it's concave side like that, so you dig and scoop. That is exactly the same with these tyres and what they're designed for. It's that motion to scoop, and that's when you see videos of this, it's blowing out plumes of either gravel, mud, sand, and that's the idea of what they're for. So make sure you fit them the right way. So literally as easy as anything. Just make sure that you get the nuts the right way. Use our handy little tool that we get just to do them up like so. Get a good tight grip on these. I'll do the front side like so. Same again. As I said, the hexes and everything, this couldn't be any easier. They're exactly the same size. So it's literally just a clip on. Make sure you got your thread right on there, because you don't want these puppies coming off, because if you do lose the nuts in the sand, chances are, guys, you ain't never going to find them. So there we go. Same again. Torque it up to strength, and there we have it. My Losi DBXL E with sand paddles and 16 pinion gear, 16 tooth pinion gear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end this video now. I'm going to upload it. Then when I have chance, I'll do a follow-on video so that any of you out there, you'll see what the truck is going to handle like on that new gearing. I said I don't really know. I've only watched things. So guys, don't forget to tune in to next time's video when I'm doing the X-Max, version 1 X-Max. I've taken out the 6S ESC, transplanted it with the new 8S ESC. Will it survive? Will the diff survive? Who knows? So tune in next time for the next video, guys.